Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And let's start the next question of exercise 4.2. Question number 8. Prove without expanding A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R is equal to X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, A, B, C is equal to Y, B, Q, X, A, P, Z, C, R. Determinant first, determinant second, and determinant third. First, let del 1 is equal to del 2 is equal to del 3. Del 1 is equal to determinant first, del 2 is equal to determinant second, del 3 is equal to del 3 is equal to determinant third. Okay, so del 1 is equal to A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Okay, del 1 equal to del 2 and del 2 equal to del 3. ABC del 2 ABC R3. It means by operation R1 operation R3, R1, R2, R3. Interchange row R1 and row R3. Okay, is equal to minus P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. R1, A, B, C, R3, P, Q, R. It means R3, R1, P, Q, R, and R1, R3, A, B, C. Right. Or using property second. Okay. R1 operation R3 or using property second. R1 interchange R3. Okay. Next, XYZ first row XYZ. It means again by operation R1 operation R2 or using property second. Is equal to minus plus X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, A, B, C, del 1. Okay, implies del 1 is equal to determinant second, second is equal to del 2. It means del 1 is equal to del 2. Proof. Del 1 equal to del 2 and del 2 is equal to del 3. Again, so del 1 is equal to determinants R1, R2, R3 and by property by operation R1 operation R3 or using properties second. Interchange row first and third. PQR XYZ ABC minus again by operation R1 operation R2 or using properties circuit minus plus XYZ PQR ABC implies del 1 is equal to del 2. Second condition, del 2 is equal to del 3. Again del 2 is equal to X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, A, B, C. Okay. Using property first, according to book, using properties first, del 2 is equal to X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, A, B, C. Okay. By operation R2 operation, नहीं सॉरी C2 ऑपरेशन C3 और यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज सर्किट del 2 equal to minus X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R, C2, P, Q, R, C3, A, B, C, C2 operation C3. Okay, it means interchange C2 and C3. Again by operation R1 operation R2 or using properties circuit, del 2 is equal to minus plus Y, B, Q, X, A, P, Z, C, R. Okay, implies del 2 is equal to del 3. So del 1 is equal to del 2 is equal to del 3. Hence proved. Question number 8 complete. Next question 9. Prove that B plus C, A plus B, A, C plus A, B plus C, B, A plus B, C plus A, C is equal to A cube, B cube, C cube minus 3ABC. Okay, left side LHS is equal to determinants. Prove that left is equal to right, right A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Formula of A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3abc इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी इंटू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी माइनस बी सी माइनस सी ए. ओके. ऑपरेशन C1 ऑपरेशन C1 प्लस C3 C1 B प्लस C प्लस A प्लस B C3 A B C. ओके. ऑपरेशन C1 B प्लस C3 A इट मीन्स A प्लस B प्लस C. C1 C प्लस A C3 B इट मीन्स A प्लस B प्लस C. C1 A प्लस B C3 C इट मीन्स A प्लस B प्लस C. A प्लस B प्लस C प्लस A B C. ओके. Taking out A plus B plus C common from colon C1. Okay, is equal to A plus B plus C into 1 1 1 A plus B plus C plus A B C. Okay. Again operation R1 operation R1 minus R2 and R2 operation R2 minus R3. C1 में 1 1 1 operation row R1 operation R1 minus R2 and R2 operation R2 minus R3. R1 R2 and R3 row first, row second, row third. Okay. R1 operation R1 minus R2 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 is equal to A plus B plus C into 1 minus 1 0 A plus B minus B plus C B cancel out, it means A minus C A minus B A minus C A minus B. Okay. Again R2 operation R2 minus R3 1 minus 1 0 B plus C minus A C cancel out B minus A and B minus C. It means 0 B minus A B minus C 1 C plus A C R3 same to same. Okay. On expanding along C1 is equal to A plus B plus C into 0 0 minus 0 0 plus 1 into 1, leaving the corresponding row and column of element first. It means A minus C into B minus C. A minus C into B minus C minus A minus B into B minus A. Okay. Is equal to A plus B plus C into A into B AB minus AC minus BC plus A square minus AB plus A square plus B square plus AB. A into B AB, A into A square, B into B square minus A into A minus B minus A plus AB, it means minus AB. minus AB plus AB minus AB cancel out, and A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC is equal to formula of A cube B cube C cube minus 3ABC LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, question number 9 complete. Next question, question number 11. If omega is cube root of unit, then find the value of determinants. Let del is equal to 1 omega cube omega square, omega cube 1 omega square omega 1. Okay, omega is, because omega is cube root of unit, it means omega cube is equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Implies del equal to omega cube equal to 1 omega square 1 omega square omega 1. Okay, on expanding along R1, del equal to 1, laying the corresponding row and column of element. First 1 minus omega square minus 1 1 minus omega cube plus omega square omega minus omega square. Okay, del is equal to 1 minus omega square minus 1 plus omega cube plus omega cube minus omega power 4. One cancel out, minus omega square omega cube is equal to plus 1 plus omega cube is equal to plus 1 minus omega power 4, because omega power of 4 is equal to omega cube into omega. It means 1 into omega is equal to omega minus omega. 2 minus omega plus omega square minus omega square minus common, it means omega plus omega cube, because 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus plus, it means 2 plus 1, implies del is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Del is equal to 3, it means value of determinant delta is equal to 3. Question number 11 complete. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.